Hello. In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of setting up and installing the various Google Apps integrations which are available to the Apptivo community. To start off, let's go ahead and click on the Learn More button from the Apptivo homepage right underneath Google Apps integration. This will take us to a page which has a short explanation of each of the Google Apps integrations which are available and links to go learn more about any of the features, such as contact sharing, calendar sync, or task sync. At the very bottom of the page, we have two different bundles, and this is how you're actually going to install the applications and set up these features for your business. Now, depending on the features that you need from the list above, you're going to install either one of these apps or both of these applications. And basically the way it works is very simple, is if you want contact sharing, which many businesses are only looking for contact sharing, then you're going to need to install the contact sharing application and do the setup steps for that. If you want any of the other features, you're going to install the Apptivo bundle, and that contains the setup for the drive integration, the task sync, the employee signature sync, everything else put together in one. And they all actually have their own little setup and configuration steps. And if I wanted both of these applications put together, all the integrations, then I'm actually going to install both of these applications to my Google Apps domain. So to get started, it makes it real simple. Just click on the big blue button that says Install Contact Sharing, and this is going to take us into the contact sharing setup guide. So for each one of these features, there's actually individual setup steps where we have to put it onto the Google Apps domain, do a little bit of configuration, and then it'll take you over to Apptivo, and we have to do further configuration here. But basically we have a step-by-step guide with screenshots, so we walk you through the process, and you can just kind of follow these guides. But what you'll notice is the very first step in the guide is to go over to the Google Apps Marketplace and install the app. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So here we can click the link in our guide, it'll take you straight there. But if you come straight to the Google Apps Marketplace, you can always use the search field up here. Just type in Apptivo, and we're going to be able to find the app this way. So you can see we have 3 applications on the marketplace, but in today's video we're talking about the contact sharing setup, which is right here, and then the Apptivo bundle, which is all the other features, which is at the top. So for this, we want to install contact sharing. So we click on this link, and there's a big blue Add It Now button in the upper right. And basically from here, it's going to start going through the steps that are listed out in that guide where we do all the configuration in Google and over in Apptivo. And then afterwards, let's say if we also wanted to go install Signature Sync for our employees, or we want to set up our drive integration, we can come back to this page right here. I definitely recommend using the guide. And if we click on Install Apptivo Bundle, it's going to take us over to a different guide, which is just for the setup instructions of the main app. And then you can go into the individual setup instructions for each feature. So for example, you would first install the main app from the marketplace. And if I want to enable calendar sync, there's an individual configuration setting just for turning on calendar sync. But all of that's available back on the landing page we were just looking at right here. So for example, if I wanted to set up calendar sync, I just click on Learn More, and there's a guide which shows you with instructions on how to go ahead and make sure everything's set up there. So that's it for this video. If you have any more questions about Apptivo's Google Apps integrations, go ahead and check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. And thanks!